All right, guys, so we're going to do a quick ride along with the Corolla 11. I don't want to take it too far because I haven't really had a chance to inspect the car yet. So we'll go around the block and give you guys an idea. We'll do a quick walk around. It is super dirty because this is how the car came from overseas. It's been on the ship over the ocean for like 2 months. It took a long time to get here just because of the port that it was at in Japan. It just took a long time. But yeah, this is a pretty cool looking car. A lot of people have never even heard of this thing, but it is a Toyota Corolla in Japan with the name 11 behind it. Now these came in 2 different models. You also got the Sprinter Chuno that you've probably heard from Initial D, but this is the newer model. This is the AE111, so 111 as opposed to AE86. So let's go ahead and sit inside and show you guys. Overall, it's a pretty small car. It kind of reminds me of like an Integra or a Civic. I do like the way this thing looks, even inside. Super dirty, so please don't mind that. Not sure why I just revved up that high. I'm gonna let it warm up a little bit. Every car you import has that. I think that's for the tollways. I could be wrong, but that's why they're programmed in here. So for the Japanese tollway. But yeah, you got a couple of DEFI gauges in this thing. The module for it kind of fell on the ground. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I'll put that back up, kind of clean this up. It'll look nice. None of the radio systems that come from Japan work here, so this is useless. So oh yeah, I want food. Let's see if it'll take me somewhere. It's gonna be a long drive to Tokyo. Yeah, I don't know what I just clicked. But it's cool. I mean, it's nice to see this, but it's useless. We're gonna get rid of this eventually and just put like a standard radio. Yeah, even nothing's gonna work. Nothing's gonna work. It's got a brand new steering wheel. Kind of like the Toyota Supra steering wheel, the red stitching. This is aftermarket, or maybe it's not aftermarket. I'm sorry. This is original from, I guess, the sports model. Even though this is a sports model, I don't know. I know this was changed out. That's all I know. So that's been removed and replaced. The seats are pretty cool. Really dirty back there. Again, I haven't had a chance to clean anything. What happened back there? Looks like the window was left cracked open. It's like salt in the back. What in the world? I didn't even notice that. But yeah, we're gonna deep clean this car. But I mean, overall it's clean. The back windows need to be retinted as well, so we'll change all that around. All right guys, let's go around the block. Should be warm enough. It's a 6-speed, which is pretty cool. So it's all the way to the top left. Yeah, it's a 6-speed front wheel drive. I wish it was rear wheel drive, but can't have everything, I guess. Yeah, and then when you back up, some of these cars make that noise, so you know what gear you're in. All right, let's go test this out. Windshield's super dirty. Whole car's dirty. I gotta say, this car is fun to drive. Man, I used to love the Honda Civics, the SIs and the Integra GSR, so it kind of brings back that vibe to it. Handling super nice. It's like on rails. I'm not even exaggerating. So yeah, super quick point of view ride along. Stay tuned, because once I get this car looked over, cleaned up, everything, we'll take a longer ride, because this car is worth mentioning. It's a fun car, I gotta say. This car is awesome. it was an impulse buy, and I'm happy I bought this because this thing is cool. But yeah, stay tuned, guys. Thanks for watching.